Hey and welcome to my channel, I'm Daniel, and today we're doing the unboxing of the LumaFusion keyboard cover for my iPad Pro. LumaFusion is currently one of the best video editing softwares for the iPad Pro because at the moment we are still limited by software. So for example, there is no Final Cut, there is no Premiere Pro. Yes, there is Premiere Rush, but I will make a video in the future showing you the limitations and the possibilities with Premiere Rush. But with the editor's keys, and I can tell you already, they feel very nice. It's a good fit on the keyboard. They claim that you can edit 40% faster by just knowing and seeing what you can click. I will make a separate video in the future where I go in depth with LumaFusion and also using this editor keys and see if it actually works, if it's actually 40% faster, but we will see that in the future. The editor keys exist for all kind of different softwares like Premiere Pro, Final Cut. If you have a MacBook, for example, you can get this also for your MacBook. But I guess if you click this video, you already know that and you just wanted to see how this one now fits on the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. It also protects your keyboard from dust and dirt, and it's waterproof. So for example, you can clean it with water anytime, as many times as you want. This is what they claim on the website, that you can wash it up and reuse it and reuse it and reuse it. That's it for the short video today. I will have a lot of fun with this one in the next couple of days, and we see us in the next video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, ding a ding the bang bang gong, and we see us in the next video. I'm Daniel. Bye.